Samsung has launched their most exciting second-generation foldable phone, Galaxy Z Flip 2, with some major updates. Today, I'm going to unbox the retail package. There we go. That's the retail box. The box is different this time around. Very futuristic, well packed, and apt for a flagship device. Great job, Samsung. Let's quickly look at the specifications. Snapdragon 865 plus octa-core processor, 12GB RAM. That's just 6GB more RAM than the Surface Duo. You might want to take a look at this unboxing video there. The display is a 7.6 dynamic AMOLED display with three 12-megapixel sensors, a wide telephoto, and an ultra-wide angle. These are the main camera. 4,500 milliamp battery. Oh yes, the price? It's $2,000 to own it. It's very, very premium. So let's unveil the king of foldables. Shall we? So let's slowly pull the cover off. Now you can see the actual box inside. It's mystic black, that's the color of the phone, and the package is full black. And you can see the folding on the box. It's incredibly smooth to open the package. It's a very well made box. It's a welcome message. Change the shape of the future. It says introducing Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience. Yep, I think this is going to be a very different experience. Nice welcome message. Now let's see what else we have inside the box. It gotta be some paperwork. Yep, quick reference guide. And a SIM tool. Alright. This is what we've been waiting for. That is the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Let's remove this plastic. Look at that. It feels so sturdy, strong. It feels so great in my hands. The build is amazing. The quality is great for sure. Let's see what we have. Those are the cameras. The speaker grills. Now let's keep it aside and see what else we have inside. So Galaxy Z Premier service. Galaxy is offering something premium here. This is the charger. Super fast charging. And that's a cable, USB Type-C charging cables. That's all we have in the box.